Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to secure a Facebook account. First of all, open Facebook. Click on Menu from the bottom. Press on Help and Support. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Open Settings. Click to see more in Account Center. Open Password and Security here. Then click on Security Checkup from here. It shows some steps which help you to protect your account. Then click on Continue. To make the security more stronger, enter a password to make it strong. Then go back to the previous page. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. Select your account from here. Enter your password here. Then click to Countries. Choose your security method as text message SMS. Then click on the Next button. Select your phone number. Press to go next. Enter the code you get on your phone number. Click on Next. Then click on Done. Go back to Login Alerts. Turn on the Facebook alert. Click to turn on in-app notifications. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.